had any drama for YouTube today, have we?
No. Everyone likes drama.
They do, don't they? Last time was perfect with boiling up.
Welcome to another midweek update video. There you go. We're stuck in traffic on the A34 coming back from the Cotswold Historic
Rally car register.
Historic Rally car
register event.
There you go. That was great fun.
It was great.
Wasn't it
Kevin,
good?
my super navigator,
Well,
allowed me to have a good day's racing.
oh, there you go. No, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I did. I genuinely thoroughly enjoyed it, mate. It was awesome. It wasn't without cockups, was it? Whoa. There you go. There's another one. There you go. There's another one. Yeah, it wasn't without cockup.
No.
Because I made a few navigating. I only got lost once, which was good. And you only made a couple of mistakes.
I
on
made
that.
a couple of driver errors.
That's right, on the tests, but I think the findings from it were that we've actually learned. We're learning all the time because it's what our second event together, isn't it? So
we're a lot better today than we were the other day.
Oh, yeah, the other time. So no, it's brilliant. Absolutely loving it. But as you can tell, we're both quite tired because it's full on. It's a whole day of driving. It's sums.
Yeah, well worth it. Very good value for money.
It is good value. You say we can't remember how much we paid for the event, but considering you've got a whole day of motorsport, it's really good. If you've never tried it, you really should give it a go. Anyway, what's we going to talk about? Monty the Mark 1. Yeah, so next week, Catch and myself are doing the Hero ERA Rally of the Ages event at their headquarters. Yeah, I'm driving, Catherine's navigating. I expect you've seen, mate, you're getting out of his car and everything. Obviously, we've installed the Brantz kit inside the Mini, made the bracket and everything else, which is brilliant. All I had to do was fit the sensor into the rear wheel, inside the rear hub. It wasn't as easy as the job that we did on Glenn's MG BGT. The reason being is the hub is smaller and slightly thicker, so trying to get that sensor in was actually quite difficult. So I had to sort of fab up a bracket and all this sort of stuff. Doesn't look very pretty, but it works. All I've got to do now is actually connect the wiring inside the car. Same thing, drill a hole in the bottom of the car, run the wire in all the way through. But I've tested it and everything seems good. So we're actually going to drive the Mini up to that event and back and make, why not? I really enjoyed it when we did it in the MG. It was just good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Once I've done that, I do need to test it, and I've only got this week, so it'll be a rush job. He's going for a soft toe. I didn't think you were allowed to do that. Thought it had to be a hard toe.
Maybe it's an emergency.
Emergency, the Rozzers can get away with anything. There you go. Oh, I forgot to say, when am I recording this?
8:45. Sunday evening.
8:45 on a Sunday evening. On target. We're moving again. There we go, look. We're off. Bernie the 1275 GT. No, I've done no work on Bernie the 1275 GT, but I did see an awful lot of 1275 GTs at our event. Thoroughly inspirational, and I say it every time, but I do need to pull my finger out and get that project done. Binge Juice. Yeah, Binge Juice is where I try and fund the petrol for our motorsport by selling stuff that I find in the bin. I managed to find some, if I'd known that you wanted it, you could have had it. Rope, proper halyard as well, really good quality stuff. Sold it for a tenner. Cha-ching! 10 quid in the petrol can for fuel for motorsport. Alfie update. Hello Alfie, what are you doing up there? You alright, mate? Doing a bit of parkour? Well, yeah, gotta keep the skills up, Check my balance out. Here we go. Go on, mate, you can do it. Maybe later. Yeah, not just yet. You look like you might be slightly stuck, mate. Well, no, I'm just waiting for my friends. Go on. Nice skills. Here's my arse. Yep, thanks, mate. After this video, Alfie got into a proper scrap with Merlin. I couldn't film it because I was too busy trying to rescue Alfie. They were probably having a proper ding dong, they were.
Were they?
Yeah.
In the garden?
In the garden.
Who won?
I don't know because I separated them.
Oh.
Yeah.
What did you use?
Me. I basically picked Alfie up. I went, Merlin, beep, fuck off. Yeah.
Oh, poor Alfie.
And then took it.
Wasting now.
He is, yeah.
It's not fair.
Right, anyway, I knew that we're not going to get home to the island till quite late today, so as we were stuck in traffic, I thought let's do an improv midweek update. It's only going to be a short one, so anyway, I will see you next week. Thank you very much. It's half an hour. Kiss me ass. Cheers, mate.